Okay, let's look at example 7 and 8. Again, I have 4 things, so what I want to do is try and group. If I group these two together and these two together. Now on this one, I can take out a 6 and I can take out an x. So let's try this. I'll have a 6 and an x, and then in parentheses, I take a 6 and x left out, I'm left with a. Positive 12 divided by 6 is a positive 2, so I'm left with a positive 2, and I also have that b left. So I have a plus 2b. Now what we want to look at here is this next one. I already have a plus 2b. I can't take anything out. So when you can't take anything out, you put a plus 1 there because you're not changing it. And then in parentheses, you have a plus 2b. Now, if we look at that, we have something in common. A plus 2b here, a plus 2b there. So we can take that out and put it in the front. They both have an a plus 2b. And then we're going to group the 6x and the positive 1. So in the second set of parentheses, we'll have 6x and a plus 1. And if we were to FOIL that, we could check it, and we would end up with what we started with. So that would be our answer. Now the next one is a little bit trickier. If I group these two and those two, I can't take anything out. So what I have to do before I group them is I have to reorganize them. I have to figure out how I want to do this. I'm going to leave it p squared, q squared, and then I'm going to put the q squared here and make this negative 2q squared. And then I'm going to put these two together because I notice 5 comes out of both of them. I want to start with a positive. So I'm going to put 5p squared, and then I'm going to bring down that minus 10. Sometimes it works the first time you do it, sometimes it doesn't. So we're just going to try it and see. So if I group these two and those two, here I can take out a q squared. So I'm going to put it in the front. That is a q, not a 9. That leaves me with p squared and a minus 2. Here I can take out a 5. So if I take out a positive 5, that leaves me with a p squared and a minus 2, because negative 10 divided by 5 is negative 2. Now this worked, because what I see here is they both have a p squared minus 2. So I'm going to factor that out and put it in the front. So let's put equals. I'm going to put my p squared minus 2 in front because they both have that. So I'm taking that out. And then I'm going to group together my q squared plus 5. So I can put the q together with the positive 5, and then I have it. So anytime you can't do the first one and the second one together, just reorganize a little bit until you get something that will factor that'll help you get the correct answer.